Hi all. In this lecture we will talk about CCA 175 real-time exam scenario 7. Let's see the data description. All the category data are stored in HDFS directory. Data is in text format and data is comma separated. And this is the schema of data. In categories data we have category underscore ID, category department ID and category name. Let's talk about the output requirements now. Save all the categories in metastore table categories underscore replica in default database and use no compression. In order to solve this problem statement, we have to understand how to read a comma separated data as a data frame in Spark, and then we have to understand how to save a data frame in metastore table. So let's go to the lab and see. So this is my Spark shell. Now let's first of all read the data. So I'm gonna say well categories is equal to cat is equal to spark.read.csv, and then we have to provide the path. This is my categories path, HDFS path, and then I'm gonna provide a logical name to the columns. So I'm gonna say .2df and then providing the names. Category underscore ID, category underscore department underscore ID, and the third column we have is category name. Okay, so we are done. Let's see the data first of all. Cat.show and just give me 5 records. So this is my categories data. Now what I have to do is, the next step is we have to save this data frame in HIVE metastore table. So let's do that. So for that I'm gonna say cat.write.format, and this time because I want to save it as a HIVE table, I have to specify my format as HIVE. Then dot option. Why option? Because we have to set compression as uncompressed. So my compression is uncompressed. Okay. After that, if the table already exists, we can specify the mode. So we can also say mode, and we can specify override. And finally, we have to call a function which is save as table. So if the table is not created in HIVE metastore, this will create a table as well. So we have to save this data in default database, and the table name is categories underscore replica. Okay. So guys, we are done. So let's go back to the other console that we have and validate the stuff. So we already have opened HIVE here. Now what we have to do is, I can say show tables, and show tables will show me all the tables present in the default database. So we have categories replica table present here, and we can also validate the records as well. So let's do that. So I'm gonna fire a query, select star from categories replica limit 10. I'm just interested in 10 records. Okay, so we are done. We can also see the structure of the table. For that, what we can say is, we can say describe formatted followed by the table name, and this will give me some more details about the table. For example, we have used compression, we haven't used any compression, so we can see that my compression is uncompressed here. I can see my input format is text input format, and so many information is available here. So in this lecture, we have learned how to read a CSV data as a data frame using Spark API, and then how to save a data frame in HIVE metastore. Thank you.